What the hell is going on here, bro? Oh, what the hell, bro? Dude, these songs are getting out of control, bro. Like, seriously. Seriously. I like the visual, though. The visual look clean, cartoonish, but look clean. Look clean, bro. But the. Wait. What is this? What is this? Actually, I know what it is. Dude, this is nuts, bruh. I don't know if. Wait. What the? Wait. What is that? I like what they're doing. The. Oh my god. Damn. Dude, these visuals are crazy. They should have done it like the another special effect right there. Oh, there it is. There it is. Dude, the way they're doing that, man, looks so. Dude, I'm just, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at, bro. I'm just looking, bro. I don't know. No, wait. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Dude, I'm just watching, bro. I'm just watching. Okay. Okay, guys, that's the information video. Dude, I don't know what really to say. I'm just a little speechless.